Hey guys, welcome to Furnishing Tips. In today's video, we're going to be assembling the Hillsdale Moreno Backless counter height stool in C white. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you guys want to watch more videos related to furniture, assembling, reviews, go ahead, subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment down there at the bottom. If you guys are interested in this product, look in the description down below. I'll go ahead and link to this. So let's get started. Okay guys, so when you do receive your package, you will receive this is how it's going to come in the box there. It's going to be pretty thin, pretty light too. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Okay guys, I took everything out of the box. I'll go ahead and grab the camera and show you what's inside so you have a good look at it. Hey guys, now that you've seen what's in the box, let's go ahead and start assembling this counter height stool. You will need a few things before we get started. One, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. This will be something I'm going to use during this assembly. However, if you do have a drill gun, go ahead and make sure it's at the lowest setting. You don't want to overdo it. The second thing you're going to need that I recommend is wood glue. It does not come with the product. However, this is something that will make the stool much sturdy throughout the years to come. So if you don't have any wood glue, I'll put it in the description down below, or you can pick it up at your local hardware store. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start assembling the base. This is the seat part. Go ahead and put this in the side for now. We'll be focusing on these pieces. You're gonna need to make sure when we assemble this that you'll have the ones that have more holes. If you look on the other side, there's gonna be a single hole. On this side, there's gonna be more holes. So you're gonna wanna use this side. Let's go ahead and put one flat down. Put the other one on the side for now. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and grab this piece here. As you can tell, this piece has two dowels. It has tiny holes on this side and it has bigger holes on this side. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the dowels on the top part. So this will be the seat. This is the bottom. This is the dowel. You're going to want to put it in here. Now before you do that, you're going to want to put a little bit of wood glue on there. Just a dab will work. I also recommend having a little bit wet towel just to wipe off any excess. Go ahead and insert it. Grab the next one, do the same thing. These are going to be the support legs. You're going to want to make sure when you insert these that the holes are facing downwards. You don't want these holes facing upwards. These will be visible if you put them in backwards and it won't work, so just make sure it's facing this way. Once again, this is just one big dowel. Go ahead and add some glue on here. Let's go ahead and grab this piece now. This is going to be the other legs. We're going to insert this like so. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of glue on here and we'll go ahead and insert this. Now, the next step is we're gonna add these screws on here. These are gonna be the bolts basically. You're gonna get 4 of these. You're gonna insert these at the top only. Okay, now that that's done up here, let's go ahead and grab the white caps, add a little bit of glue on each end. Go ahead and wipe it down. Give it a little tap. Okay, now that we got these done, let's go ahead and add 2 screws here at the bottom. These are paraded. They'll give you a set of 8 of these. You're gonna go ahead and add these at the bottom for now. Same thing here. You're gonna go ahead and add the screw there. Just make sure it's lined up pretty good. Okay, now that that's complete, let's go ahead and flip this on the other side so we can go ahead and get the other part done. Make sure you hold it together as you do it. However, it should be pretty strong right now. If you do have excess glue, go ahead and grab the wet paper towel and wipe it down. Let's go ahead and add the 2 other bolts that are provided. This will be 2 bolts. Go ahead and use the Allen wrench key. Same thing, you're gonna get the 2 white caps, add a little dab of glue. Go ahead and grab 2 more of those screws there. We're gonna have these at the bottom. Okay, now that we have the base put together, as you can see, it's nice and strong. We're gonna go ahead and add the seats. In this case, we're gonna put the seat straight down. As you can see on the seat, there are black guides, I will call them. You're gonna put the base around the black guides. So this is how it's gonna look right there. However, before we insert any screws here, we're gonna put a little bit of glue just to make sure that it's solid on there. What I like to do is put some on each corner. If there's any excess glue, go ahead and wipe it down. You're gonna have 4 screws left here. We're gonna go ahead and insert those on the openings here. Just make sure it's lined up pretty good. Okay, now that we got that done, go ahead again, grab your wet paper towel, wipe off any excess glue. Okay, now that we're done, we'll go ahead and flip this over. As you can see, it's already been assembled. It's really sturdy, really strong. Okay guys, here's the finished counter height stool. I hope this video was helpful. I did try to go as thorough as possible and make sure that this was assembled correctly. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you want to watch future videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.